Good afternoon, everybody. Yes, good afternoon. Lalit, good afternoon. Okay, good afternoon. Today, what we are going to do? Today, we are going to do revision of lesson first. Okay, now exam is there. No, you got the exam timetable? Yes. So, we'll start revision. Okay. We'll do revision. Today we'll do the revision of lesson number 1, that is 1.1 bridge poem. Okay. If you have textbook, notebook, pencil, keep with you. Okay. Yes, I think you like to play riddle. Okay, no problem. If we get the time, we'll do that also. Right? Okay. So first I'll share my screen. Yes, here it is. See children, this is the first revision. Okay, considering the unit test 1. Okay, keeping in mind unit test 1 paper, we are started revision. Okay, revision. So today is our first revision. That is lesson number 1.1 bridge. That is a poem. We have already learned children this poem and we have sent you link also. Whenever you want, you have to go back, open that link and learn again. Okay. Hope everybody has started the study, right? So this is your poem. That is your textbook page number 1, right? Unit 1, textbook page number 1. And this is very nice poem, right? Everybody has learned this poem, okay? And this poem is written by the poetess that is called Christina Rossetti. Christina Rossetti is the name of the poetess. Who's called poetess? The person who write or who compose the poem is called poet. Poet is a male, right? And the person who has written the poem or composed the poem, that is a female, is called poetess, right? So what is the name of the poetess? Christina Rossetti. Yes. Okay, what do you see in this poem? In the picture? A rainbow. Yes, this poem is related to the rainbow, right? And you have to do this poem with the action also, children, right? Okay. So in short, we'll see the poem. We have already learned this, children. Okay. Previous video is available. You have to go back and see that video. Okay. Again, in short, we'll see the poem. I'm reading now. Okay. Boats sail on the rivers and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please. But the boat that bridges heaven and overtops the tree and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. Yes, this is what we have done the reading. Okay, children, you can also read the poem loudly. And this is very nice. Actually, this poem you have to recite. Okay, with the rhyme, you have to recite this poem, right? Okay, so everybody must be recited this poem with the action, that is also. Okay, right. Okay. So in this poem, what is described in the first line, first two lines, boat and ships are described. Okay, where do we see the boat? We see the boat in the river, or boat sails on the river. And where do the sheep sail? Sheep sail on the sea. Yes, boat is there in the river and sheep is there in the sea, right? Like that. This boat is boat and sheep is compared with the clouds. Yes. And these clouds that sail across the sky. Okay. How the boat and ship sails, same way the clouds also sail across the sky. Across means from one side to the other side of the sky, right? That is a cloud. Okay, in the sky, what sail? Cloud sails are prettier than this. Prettier means lovely, and it looks very lovely than the boat and ship, right? Okay, now the second part of the poem. Now, what the second part of the poem is given? There are bridges on the river. See, children, when we travel, we can see the bridge. And bridge is normally built on the river, right? So, on the river, bridge is there. As pretty as you please. And that bridge looks very pretty, very lovely. Okay. But the bow that bridges heaven. Now here the bridge which is there on the river is compared with the bow. Okay. And what does mean by bow? Bow means rainbow. Yes, bridge is compared with the rainbow, right? So where is the rainbow or bow? Bow or rainbow is in the heaven. And what is the meaning of heaven? Yes, sky. Heaven means what? Sky. Okay, there we say heaven is a place of God, abode of God, where the God stays. That is a heaven. Actually, it is a sky. Okay, so the bow that bridge heaven. So where we see the bow, rainbow in the sky, that is in the heaven, and overtops the tree, okay, and builds a road from earth to sky, right? Now this bridge means a rainbow is there in the heaven, and which is over top, over the trees, over the building, right? Okay, and this rainbow built a road, means it connect earth to the sky, right? Earth to the sky. What is connected? Bridge. That is a rainbow is connecting earth to sky, right? And it looks very prettier far than this. Means the rainbow is prettier than the bridge which is there on the river. Got it? And clouds are also prettier than the boat and ships. Okay. And this was given in the poem. Okay, and the last name is given, that is a poetess name, Christina Rossetti. Got it? Yes, yes. Now here I have shown you everything, right? Here is what? This is the bridge. Okay, bridge means what? Now you understood which bridge? The bridge means here is a rainbow. Poet is saying rainbow is a bridge which connect earth to sky, right? This is the bridge. That is a rainbow, right? Now children, in the rainbow, you can see many colors. How many colors are there in the rainbow? Everybody know there are 7 colors in the rainbow, right? Yes. Now, this I have already taught you. You have to learn the spelling of all these 7 colors. And what are the spelling of these 7 colors? Violet is one of the spelling. Violet. What is the spelling? Violet. V-I-O-L-E-T. Violet is one of the spelling, right? Yes. I told you do the practice of this. Indigo. What is the spelling? Indigo. I-N-D-I-G-O. Indigo. And what is the next spelling? Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Then green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. After that, what it is? Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yes, hope everybody has learned this spelling. Now just we are doing the revision of this, right? Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. And the last spelling is what? Red. R-E-D. Red. Okay. These are the 7 colors of the rainbow, right? Now you have to match this spelling with the real color, right? And that also we have done. Again, we are doing the practice. Okay. So what is this? This is our rainbow picture. And now whatever spelling you have learned, that exactly you have to show with the particular color, right? So we'll start from outer side, right? Okay, what is the first color, children? Yes, children, you are right. That is the first color is a, what it is? Violet. What is the first color? Violet. Okay. And what is this? Okay, now second color, right? Second color is what? What color is shown by the arrow? Come on, tell. That is a indigo. Okay, what is that color? Indigo, right? You can see how the indigo violet color looks. Yes. And after that, what the color see? Okay, see your right side. Which color it is, which is shown by the arrow? Yes, it is a blue color. Okay. After blue, what is the color? After blue, which color is there? See the arrow. Arrow see. Yes, this particular color. What it is? Green. Yes, this color is a green color. Right. Okay. And what is this color? Yes, very easy. It's yellow color. Yes, it's a yellow color. Very good. Children, you have to learn the spelling also, because after that you will answer the question. Okay. You will be ask spellings too, right? And what is the next color now? This color? Come on, tell what is the orange? Yes, orange color. And the last one is what? Which color it is? Red. This way, 7 color we have matched with the rainbow colors. Isn't it amazing? Yes. See children, what you will do? You will also draw the rainbow and color it, and then you will mention the name of that color. Okay? Yes. Okay. Now I'm coming back. I'm coming towards to you. Yes. Yes. Yes, children. Okay. See, children, now you have learned that poem. Previously, already you have learned. Once again, we have revised this poem. Okay, based on this, now I would like to ask you questions, right? Okay, I'll ask you questions and I hope everybody will answer my question, right? We have learned the color of rainbow. Okay. So children, now see here. This way question can be asked. Okay, see this way. Your initial letter will be given, right? Children, see now. Initial letter will be given and you have to write the correct spelling. Okay, starting with given letter. So here what V is given and then dash dash dash. Yes, children. You know now answers are displayed in front of you only. Okay, that is first color is a violet, but you have to write the correct spelling of the violet, Siddhi. You have written wrong spelling, Siddhi. Okay, now here on the screen only answer spellings are also displayed. Okay, but in exam you have to learn and write the spelling. V for what? Violet. Violet is a 6 letter. Yes, violet is a 6 letter word. Right? This way question can be asked. I for what? Indigo. I for what? Indigo. Again, it is a 6 letter word. Correct. Correct, Varinita. And you have to learn the correct spelling. Indigo. Very good, children. This you have to, without looking, you have to give the spelling. Then B for what? B for blue. B for blue, right? 4 letter words. Blue. Okay. It can be asked starting with the letter or it may be given in middle letters. Okay. Only what things you have to learn the spelling by heart and then you will write the answer correct. If you know the spelling anyway, if the question will be asked, you can answer like that. Okay. Right. Very good. Now G for green. G for green. Y for yellow, right? And O for orange. And R for red. Yes, it's called Vibgeur. Yes, the short form that is a Vibgeur. Okay, with the Vibgeur we can know the all 7 color of the rainbow. Yes. Okay, by looking also some are writing wrong spelling. Why, children? Pawnee, write the correct. Write the correct spelling. Okay, now you understood? See, so before attempting the exam, you have to learn all the spelling very well. Okay, that is your first question. Now the second question is write the rhyming words, children. What is that second question based on this poem? Write the rhyming words. See, Whatever poems are there, in poem always rhyming words are there. Yes. Okay. So children, now we'll concentrate on this question. Write rhyming words. Okay. Okay, very good, Devansh. Devansh started. Very good. Devansh, your answer is correct. What is the rhyming word for sky? Very good. Okay, now start giving me the answer for this rhyming word, children. Yashasri, start giving answer. Sky high. Correct, correct. Very good. What's name I missed? Okay. Ishika, yes, correct. Bhavarth, your spelling is wrong, beta. Arya, write the rhyming word. Question word plus answer word, right? How I'll come to know which rhyming word you are giving? Okay, yes, you are correct. I cannot say the answer, children, because if I announce the answer from here, others start copying. So you start giving the answer. Second, see, correct. Second answer. Okay, Allahi, correct. Nuha, correct. Very good. Shravani, correct. But which Shravani? Which word you are giving the answer? Ishika, correct. For cloud, she is giving the answer. Kavya, spelling is wrong, my dear. Avni, correct. Kunal, this word is for what? Okay. Avni, Anvi, that word is there. Yes, Saraswati, correct. Sky, our rhyming word is correct. Ayush, your spelling is wrong. Abbas, correct. For boy, your answer is correct. Abdul, high answer is for which question? How I'll understand? Yes, Anvi, now it is correct. Bo, okay, for bo it is correct. Viraj, yes, it is correct, Viraj. See this. Okay, Kunal, correct. Bo, for bo he is starting. Children, one thing will do. Okay, I will divide the time between these 5 words. In that time only you start giving the answer. No need of writing the question plus answer. Okay. Now I'll start with the second one. Sky high is over. Okay, now we'll move to the second question. Seas. Give the rhyming word for seas. Come on. Only seas. Don't give for other words. Seas, bees. Very good. Abbas, very good. Okay, very good, Abbas. Next one. Piyush, go. Correct. Kavya, no. Apostrophe, how you are giving? Kunal, correct. Aga, correct. Arya, spelling is wrong, my dear. No, we are doing second one. Why you are giving the answer for third question, beta? Second one answer as per right. Second question answer. Mansi, correct. Prajwal, correct. Go on giving for answer second. Correct, Arita. Dishar, what you are doing well here? Yes, Devansh, correct. Gargi, correct. Pauni, I'm talking about second question. Rudra, correct. Sonam, correct. Anvi, now you are correct. Correct, beta. Or okay. We'll move to the next question now. Bow. Start giving the rhyming word for bow. 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 Low. Mugdha, correct. Bhavarth, correct. Abbas, correct. Akhil, correct. Pratiksha, correct. Azma, correct. Very good. New words start giving. Manasi, correct. Anvika, correct. Arita, I have not read your answer. Just write again. Abdul, correct. Anvi, correct. Rudra, correct. Sapna, correct. Grishma, correct. Asta, what is this? Kunal, correct. Gargi, correct. Grishma, correct. Viraj, correct. Prajwal, correct. Don't type again, huh? Disha, correct. Saraswati, correct. Shlo, correct. See, once I say correct, don't type again, huh? For that question. Ansh, what is that? No. What is that? No, that is wrong. Go now is wrong. Huh? Who, I have missed your name. See, we are talking about now question number 3, my dear. Bo now is wrong. It's not rhyming word. Shivank, give me an answer for third question. Piyush, correct. Sejal, correct. Shlok, correct. Kushi, correct. Kunal, which answer you are giving? I have not started fourth question. Okay, okay, children. Those who have given correct, correct. Okay. Bow, low, crow, throw. These are the rhyming word for bow. Okay, now we are moving to the next question. That is question number 4. Cloud. Start answer giving. Mansi, correct. Mugda, your answer not getting. Abbas, correct. Correct, beta. Devansh, correct. Asta, correct. Mohammad, correct. Gargi, correct. Anvi, no, wrong it is. Grishma, which answer you are giving, Grishma? Pauni, correct. Abdul, correct. See what question I have asked? Fourth question, cloud. Ayush, correct. For cloud, you have to write the rhyming word. Anaga, wrong, beta. Ansh, what happened? Long list you gave. Correct, Anvi. Saraswati, correct, beta. Viraj, correct. But see, children, if the question is there, give the rhyming word from the poem. Then what words, rhyming words have come in the poem, that only write, okay? If it is not mentioned like that in the question, then you can give any rhyming word from outside also, okay? This question, that way you keep in mind. Okay, if in question it is mentioned, give the rhyming word from poem only. Then you have to give the answer from poem only. If it is not mentioned like that in the question, then you can give any rhyming word which is suitable to the given word. Okay? Okay. So now start writing answer for question 5. Yes, Rudra, correct. Saraswati, correct. Mugdha, correct. Correct. Piyush, correct. Kushi, correct. Ayush, correct. Shravani, wrong. Kunal, correct. Moksh, correct. Manasi, correct. Abbas, correct. Arya, Arya, wrong. Siddharth, correct. Prajwal, Prajwal, you gave two answers. It will be not agree. Correct. Zian, correct. Azma, write again answer. Abdul, correct. I have not read your answer. Naitik, what is this? What you are writing now? Shravani, correct. Harshada, I have to check your word. Naitik. What is that, Naitik? Srinidhi, we are giving the answer for the first question. I am asking for the fifth one. Rohan, correct. Anvi, correct. Correct. Bhavas, correct. Okay, okay, children. I think everybody have given the answer correct way only. Only keep in mind, if the question is there, give the rhyming word from the poem, then write the rhyming word which comes in the poem, that only. If it is not mentioned, then you can give any other, and these are the answers. Other than this, many children has given the answer that were also correct. Okay. So here is what? Sky high, seas, bees, bow low, cloud loud, pretty city. Okay, these rhyming words are from the poem only. But some of you have given from outside, no problem. That is also correct, because in this way it is not mentioned any question that write the rhyming word from poem only. Okay, so we'll move for the next question. Now here are these what? What is this? Yes, children, what is this? These are the hard words from the poem. See, children, hard words can come, fill the missing letter. Okay, in that this hard word can be asked. Right. So you have to learn again the spelling of all the hard words. Right. So first time reading, then you follow me, right? And you have to read loudly. Okay. Last time I have taken your reading. That time I find some children are reading very good, but some are just reading, but they are trying. Yes, if we'll try, we'll get it. Okay. So when I'm reading, you follow me. Okay. And you will read loudly, children. Okay. First word, cloud, bridge. Read after me. River, prettier, across, earth, heaven, ships, bow, sea, overtops, sky. Okay. So now don't chat with me. You have to read loudly these words. Okay. So this is reading for reading purpose. This is very important. Okay. Whenever you get the time, you try to read whatever is there in the English textbook, read loudly. Okay. And if any word you are not able to pronounce, last time I told children, you have to open online dictionary and you will type that particular word. With the pronunciation, you will get that word. Okay, if you click on that speaker, the pronunciation, real pronunciation of that word, you can listen. That way you have to do the practice of reading. Okay. And hard words, I know some hard words is not easy to pronounce, or you are unknown about that, right? And so how you will learn? By using the online dictionary, you can learn that pronunciation. Okay. Yes, exam is there already, timetable is put in the group, right? So everybody understood now? Okay. So these are the hard words. You have to learn it very nicely. Okay. And with the meaning also, you have to learn the meaning also. Right? Now what is this? This is just for example. This way can be asked. Now make sentence your own. This can be question asked. And word is given, suppose cloud. Okay. And I have shown the picture of cloud. So immediately we'll know what is the meaning of the cloud. Okay. Cloud is a natural thing. And these clouds You have to use in your own word. And I have given the example. What is the example I have given? Clouds float in the sky. This is my sentence, children, right? Clouds float in the sky. This way, you can make other sentence by using the word cloud. Okay, and which word you are using in the sentence, that word you have to underline. Okay, now start giving your own sentence. Don't copy the same sentence. Other sentence you write and send me. Come on. Aritra, write sentence beta. I see clouds in the sky. Avdut. Very good. Very good sentence, Avdut. Kavya is giving very short. This is clouds. Kavya, but punctuation mark you are missing, my dear. Don't do that. There you will lose the marks, right? Devansh, what saying? Okay, correct, Devansh. Clouds are dark, but C should come capital. Ansh, I can see clouds. Correct, Ansh. Clouds are white, Abbas. Correct, short sentence. Ishika, I miss your sentence. Clouds are white. Ayush, Yashasri, clouds are in the sky. Correct, correct, Yashasri. Manasi, clouds in the sky. Correct. Pratiksha, clouds are looking. I miss your again sentence. Azma, you write better sentence. I have not seen. Pauni, clouds are in the sky. Kunal, clouds are beautiful. Good. Viraj, there are clouds in the sky. Correct. Zian, clouds looks beautiful. Correct. Moksha, there are so many clouds in the sky today. Very good. Shubham, the birds are flying on the sky. No, beta, in the sky. Okay, sun is in the sky, right, Sejal? Piyush, clouds in the sky. Okay, I can see clouds in the sky. Adnan, correct. Sparsh, clouds are right. Clouds are white in color, right, Sparsh? Avni, clouds have different shapes, correct. Sonam, what happened? Right answer. Prajwal, clouds. I miss your answer. Murmai. Okay, flowers in the white. Wrong. What is that flowers? Who has given answer? Wrong it is. Kanishka. Right sentence. Ovi, clouds are so beautiful. Correct. I like to look clouds. Parinita, clouds are white in color. Very good. Very nice. Very nice, children. Yes. Okay. Everybody have to write like this sentence. I told you, try till you succeed. Okay, if you try, you will get the answer. Okay, if you will not try, you will not get. So now some students get hard to frame the sentence, but if you try, you will get it, students. Siddhi, correct? Yes. Okay. So now we'll move to the next. What is this, children? What picture it is? What pictures? Saraswati, correct. What picture it is? What picture it is? Clouds, sky. Yes, Arita, it is a sky. Yes, rain is not there. No, it's a sky picture. For sky, we can say heaven also. In the poem Sky, for sky, one word is used. That is a heaven. Okay? Heaven word is used. Right? Okay? Yes. Heaven is a very beautiful place. Yes. Okay, sky means what? Heaven. Okay, by mistake here one more sticker has come. Okay, sky is very big. No, children. Now our main word is here heaven, right? Heaven means sky, I told. Heaven word is there. And by using the word heaven, you have to make the sentence. And your time starts now. Kunal, correct. First letter should capital. Piyush, my home. Like my home is like a heaven, right? Like that. Lalit, God lives in the heaven. Correct, Lalit. Very good. Heaven is a place of God. Correct. I miss your name, boy. Okay, birds are flying in the heaven. You cannot say birds are flying in the sky. That looks correct. Heaven we cannot say. Heaven is a peaceful place. Correct. Correct. Gracie, you write something. Then only I can correct. Heaven means sky. That is meaning okay, my dear. But sentence, when we say to make the sentence word, use heaven only. Kashmir is like a heaven. Correct. Very sweet place, Pratiksha. Correct. Prajwal, rainbow, what? Heaven is a look like a god. No, Bhavat, no, that way don't frame the sentence. Kunal, heaven is beautiful. Abba saying, heaven is so nice place. Correct. Heaven is a beautiful. Correct. Yogi is saying my first school name.
Your lecture time is over now, miss.
Okay, 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 okay. Okay, children, you understood now? You understood now? Okay. So this is, we have done the revision of lesson number 1. That is a poem. Okay. So tomorrow we'll do the next revision. Before that, children, you have to go back and see the previous link of the lesson given. That is what is the next lesson, children? Do the practice and keep ready yourself. This one, Yash and Moti 1.4. Okay, you learn and keep. And for reference, you can use the previous link. Okay. Bye. Have a good day.